Apple cider vinegar and turmeric have been used to make a health-promoting beverage for ages. Many people today are finding its amazing health benefits and taking it every day as a supplement. In today's video, we'll examine the benefits of using turmeric and apple cider vinegar as natural treatments for illnesses. Do they truly aid in losing weight? How about safeguarding your heart and brain? Come on, let's get going and find out. Before discussing this drink's wonderful qualities, let's look at how to make this beverage. This mixture is simple to make. 1 inch of peeled and diced fresh turmeric, 1 dash of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of raw organic apple cider vinegar, and 1/2 teaspoon of raw honey are all that are required. When purchasing apple cider vinegar, look for raw, unprocessed, and bottles made of glass. Having gathered your ingredients, in a small saucepan, combine 2 to 3 cups of boiling water with the chopped turmeric root. Reduce the heat a bit, then simmer the mixture for 10 minutes. With the heat off, whisk in some black pepper, apple cider vinegar, and raw honey. Boom! Strain into the cup of your choice. Apple cider vinegar's natural flavor may not exactly be to your taste receptors' liking. Because of this, adding honey may help some people enjoy the flavor more. Are you aware that studies have demonstrated a 2000% boost in turmeric absorption when black pepper is used? Don't these components all work so well together as a complement? Enough already. Let's move on to the advantages of this beverage. This beverage is fantastic for shedding pounds. Losing weight requires a lot of self-control, food adjustments, and exercise. You may not want to skip this drink if you want to stay sharp in old age. Alzheimer's affects 10% of people above the age of 65. And those above 80 have a 50% probability of developing this condition. Studies claim that curcumin may help reduce the risk of various neurological diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties lessen cellular damage, inflammation, and aging factors that contribute to this disease. A study on ACV found that adding it to food may lessen the risk of several neurological illnesses. All in all, it's a win-win deal. However, ACV is an intriguing method of weight loss that might enable you to lose a size. This low-calorie beverage has been shown to be effective at burning fat. ACV contains anti-inflammatory and anti-obesity effects, so drinking it first thing in the morning is a great detox and weight loss alternative. According to studies, consuming ACV regularly may help prevent metabolic syndrome by reducing triglycerides, visceral fat, waist circumference, visceral fat area, obesity, and body weight. Use this beverage to help manage your diabetes. Let's get right to the point. Apple cider vinegar has health benefits for both type 1 and type 2 diabetics. However, using ACV alone won't make a substantial impact in your blood sugar level over the course of 3 months. Therefore, you require turmeric. Over 100 million Americans currently have diabetes, and a large number more are at risk of getting it. Although there are still conventional treatments like insulin injections, recent study indicates that even turmeric may help both treat and prevent diabetes. Turmeric is currently referred to as an anti-diabetic plant by certain scientists. ACV and turmeric are effective cold treatment. This is one that your grandmother can attest to. Along with other beneficial minerals, ACV also contains fiber and vitamin C. The mucus in your throat and chest is released by the acid in ACV. Congestion relief could aid in your fight against the flu. The antifungal, antibacterial, and antiviral properties of turmeric, on the other hand, make it advantageous for people who frequently experience cold and flu symptoms. Curcumin, a bioactive component of turmeric, can boost antioxidant capacity to boost immunity, lessen bodily inflammation, and stop coughing and sneezing. This beverage has additional advantages for your skin care regimen. The effects of this mixture are the same whether it is ingested or administered topically. ACV has a pH level that runs from 2 to 3, which keeps your skin in top condition. It also serves as a natural toner that reduces bacteria that cause outbreaks and controls oil production to help prevent acne. These acids have exfoliating qualities that can aid in pore cleaning and the eradication of bacteria on skin that is prone to acne. It is generally known that it can control skin color and reduce melanin production. The antimicrobial properties of turmeric also help to remove blackheads, giving you clearer skin. Moving on, this beverage relieves stress and worry. The turmeric compound curcumin raises the levels of the neurotransmitters serotonin and dopamine. Your mood is controlled by these molecules. Anxiety is treated with turmeric. Various neurological diseases, such as depression. According to research, it might even be just as effective as medication while having fewer side effects. Another study discovered that giving healthy college students 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar daily reduced their sadness levels. If you have aching joints, you might want to think about incorporating ACV into your diet. Numerous phytonutrients, often known as plant-based compounds, or polyphenols, found in ACV can help stop creaky joints. According to a 2021 review, polyphenols may lessen pain, edema, and rheumatoid arthritis-induced joint deterioration. According to a different study, curcumin blocks the dangerous molecules that lead to joint inflammation. Curcumin has the potential to be used in addition to current rheumatoid arthritis treatments. Finally, you can put an end to acid reflux. Have you heard that up to 20% of Americans suffer from acid reflux? When stomach acid enters the food pipe, it irritates the lining and results in symptoms similar to heartburn. If you want to remain mentally bright as you age, you might not want to skip this drink. 10% of adults over 65 have Alzheimer's disease. And the likelihood of acquiring this illness is 50% for anyone over the age of 80. According to studies, curcumin may lower the chance of developing numerous neurological conditions like Alzheimer's and dementia. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities reduce the cellular deterioration, inflammation, and aging processes that cause this disease. According to a study on ACV, consuming it in meals may lower your risk of developing a number of neurological diseases. Overall, it's a win-win situation. You may possibly get some anti-cancer advantages from this beverage. According to Japanese studies, acetic acid, the main active ingredient in ACV, effectively eliminated cancer cells. The researchers believe that ACV may be effective in treating certain stomach cancers. Can this beverage help our hearts? You run the risk of getting high blood pressure and other heart illnesses if your cholesterol and triglyceride levels are high. ACV can aid in bringing down those high triglyceride and cholesterol levels. And here's something else, ACV contains alpha-linolenic acid, which lowers the risk of heart disease. Heart disease may also be able to halt its course thanks to turmeric. It helps control blood pressure, coagulation, and blood clotting while lowering bad cholesterol and lowering your risk of heart attacks and bypass surgery. Last but not least, ACV and turmeric assist in liver cleaning. The liver is the part of your body that works the hardest. Liver illness affects more than 10% of the world's population. End-stage liver failure can be brought on by cirrhosis and liver malignancy. An important factor in liver failure is hepatitis. Turmeric keeps the bile duct, which cleanses the liver, functioning at its best, expelling alcohol and harmful substances that can harm it. Additionally, apple cider vinegar can reduce elevated cholesterol to a healthy level and remove toxins from the liver. But a word of caution before you jump on the bandwagon of ACV and turmeric. It would be best always to dilute ACV, as it's highly acidic. Drinking it as it is may cause a burning sensation in your throat and stomach, as well as damage to the enamel of your teeth. Also, talk to your doctor if you are taking anti-diabetic drugs, laxatives, or medicine for your kidneys. It might conflict with your medication. Thanks for watching another episode of Health Rex. We hope you found the information we shared today helpful and informative. We're dedicated to providing you with the latest and most accurate information on health and wellness. We upload a new video every day, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. We really appreciate your support, so please don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better health. See you in the next video.